Welcome, everyone. It's fantastic to have you here today. We're about to dive into a topic that's not just shaping our present, but is fundamentally redefining our future: the democratization of artificial intelligence. For a long time, AI felt like something out of science fiction, a realm reserved for elite researchers and massive corporations. But that's changing, and it's changing rapidly. We're witnessing a profound shift where the incredible power of AI is becoming accessible to more people than ever before. Think about it. What was once confined to specialized labs is now being put into the hands of everyday creators, small businesses, and even individuals with a great idea. This isn't just about fancy algorithms. It's about unlocking human potential. Imagine a small non-profit organization that can now analyze vast amounts of data to better understand and address community needs, all without needing a dedicated data science team. Or consider a budding artist who can use AI tools to bring their wildest creative visions to life, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in art and design. This accessibility is a game changer, empowering those who might have previously been excluded from the AI revolution. The beauty of this democratization lies in its ability to foster innovation from every corner. When more minds have access to powerful tools, we see a surge of diverse perspectives and novel solutions to problems we face. It means that breakthroughs aren't just happening in Silicon Valley. They're emerging from classrooms, from local communities, and from individuals driven by passion and purpose. This widespread access is accelerating progress at an unprecedented rate, and it's incredibly exciting to be a part of. Of course, with such powerful tools comes a responsibility to use them wisely. As AI becomes more integrated into our lives, it's crucial that we approach its development and deployment with a strong ethical compass. This means prioritizing fairness, transparency, and accountability. It means ensuring that AI benefits everyone, not just a select few, and that we actively work to mitigate any potential biases or unintended consequences. This is a collective journey, and open dialogue is key to navigating these important considerations. The democratization of AI is not just a technological trend, it's a societal evolution. It's about leveling the playing field, fostering creativity, and empowering individuals to solve problems in new and impactful ways. It's about building a future where intelligence, in all its forms, can be harnessed for the greater good. Thank you so much for joining me on this exploration. I truly believe that by embracing this democratization responsibly, we can unlock incredible opportunities and build a brighter, more innovative future for all of us. If you found this discussion valuable, please consider following along for more insights.